Hi students, I am Maithili. This is the NCERT portion, chapter 1, rational numbers. So in this already exercise 1.1 over. Now we are going to see exercise 1.2. Okay, now exercise 1.2 is representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay, this is your exercise 1.2. So in this first question is represent these numbers on the number line. So here they have given two numbers. So we have to represent these two numbers on the number line. So here 7 by 4 and then minus 5 by 6. Okay. So first 7 by 4. It's a rational number. So we can't represent on number line directly. Okay. It's very tough. So we have to simplify this value and then we have to represent in a number line. Okay, see here 7 by 4 is there, no? So first we have to divide this value, 7 divided by 4. So 7 by 4 means we can divide that value, right? You can take like this, 7 divided by 4. Okay, so we can take like this, no? So here first 1 4s are 4 we can take, and then here we have to subtract these two values. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So this value is lesser. Okay, so when we are comparing these two values, this is lesser value. So we have to keep the point 0 by point, and here we can introduce 0. And then how many times here? 7. 7 4s are 28. Then we have to subtract these two values. When we are subtracting these two values, here your answer is 2. Okay, already point is there, so we can take 0. Okay, then now how many times here? We can take 5 4s are 20. So now 20 minus 20 equal to 0. So your value for 7 divided by 4 equal to 1.75. Okay, so 1.75 is there. Now we can take this value, we have to put in a number line. Okay, so 1.75 we can draw it easily, because see here first we have to draw one number line like this. Just take number line. It's a normal number line we can take. So first we have to take 0, here 0, and then here we can take 1, and then here we can take 2 like this. Okay, just see the denominator value. Here 4 is there. So according to that, we have to split the portions. Here 4 portions are there. No, 4 is your denominator, means we have to split this one 4 portions. Like this, 1, here 1 portion, and then 2 portion, 3 portion, and 4 portion like this. Okay, same thing we can take here also. 1 portion, 2 portion, 3 portion, 4. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Okay, don't take like this. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 portions. Okay, and then see the value 1.75. What is the meaning of 1.75? 1.75 means the value is greater than 1. Greater than 1 and lesser than 2 like this. Okay. So this is the value like this we have to take. The value 7 by 4. This 7 by 4, this rational number is greater than 1 and lesser than 2. So this value lies between 1 and 2. Like that we have to take. Okay. So 1 and 2. So here we can in between only the value is lying. So here we have to take totally 4 portions we have split it, right? So first we can take here 0. 0 means, and then here we can take 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4. Okay. After that here, this is your 5, and then 6, 7, and 8 like this. Okay. Now just write the denominator value. Denominator is 4 only, no? So we can take this value divided by 4, and then this one divided by 4. Here divided by 4. 4, 4, 4, everything, all the values divided by 4 like that. Okay, now just consider here 0 divided by 4. That means what? 0 divided by everything, it's a 0 only. Okay, so this point as 0. And then see here 4 divided by 4. 4 by 4 means what? When we are cancelling these two values, the answer is 1. right? So we have to write it here 1. Same thing here, 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means when we are cancelling these two values, 8 by 4 means 4 2s are 8. We can take, right? So the answer is 2. So that 2 we have to write it here. Okay, see, already I have written like that only, no? This is your 0, this is your 1, this is your 2. Okay, so from the simplification, already we reached that value 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now easily we can mention that value 7 by 4. Where it is? We have to mark that. Okay, 7 by 4. 7 divided by 4. So, this is the point. Okay, we have to represent like this. So, this is your answer. Okay, like this. 0 by 4 is 0, 4 by 4 is 1, and then here 8 by 4, this is your 2. 3 and all you want means you can write, or else not a problem. Okay, so here, so 7 by 4, 7 by 4, this is your answer. 7 by 4. We have to represent like this only. Okay, the same method, just see the next sum. Minus 5 divided by 6. So minus 5 by 6. For that also we have to take 5 divided by 6. So just divide that value first. 5 divided by 6. Okay. So first just compare these two values. This is your smaller number. 5 is your smaller number. So for that we have to take a point and then introduce one 0. So now we have to divide this value. Just how many times? 8 6 are 48. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Now we can subtract this value. 50 minus 48 equal to 2. Okay, when we are subtracting this value, we'll get 2. And then already point is there. So we can introduce one more 0. Now just take 3 6 are 18. Just subtract these two value. Answer is 2. And then already point is there. We can introduce one more 0. And then 3 6 are 18. Now just subtract these two value. You will get 2. Okay, so the value of minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 0.83. So for this also, minus 5 by 8. 6. Minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 0.83. 833 like that. Okay, so for this also just see the value minus 0.8. So we have to take a number line like this. In this minus means what? Negative value. So the values are lies between. Just consider the number line. This is your 0. After that, right hand side and all positive values, left hand side and all negative values. Okay, but we want only the negative value. So negative value means we have how to take this. See, like this. From 0 to minus 1. Left hand side values only, no. So, according to that, we have to take. So, this is your 0. After that, how many portions we need? 6 portions. 6 portions means, here we have to take minus 1. And then minus 2. And then minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, just count the portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 portions are there. Okay, now what we have to do? This value divided by 6. See your denominator. Denominator is 6 only, no? So that same condition, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 6 by 6. Okay, now see here. 0 divided by, 0 by 6. 0 divided by everything is 0 only, no? So we can take it here, this value as 0. That same thing here, minus 6 by 6. Minus 6 by 6 means what? Same value. So we can cancel this value. So the value is minus 1. Okay, so these values, see. So this point minus 0.833 is lie between 0 and minus 1. So in between only our answer is there. Where it is? Minus 5 by 6. This is your answer. Minus 5 by 6. So we can mark that. This is your answer. Okay. See this. So here minus, this is your point, minus 5 by 6. So this is your answer. Okay. Thank you.